guys, in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about poop as medicine. What? Yes, that is exactly right. Your poop can be medicine. So for those guys who are joining me today, my name is Dr. Samir Islam, and yes, I'm an actual poop doctor. My passion is to give you tips and tricks to help out with your gut health. If you're new to these video series, every Thursday I do Poop Tip Thursday where I drop the deuce on one question you guys ask me for the week. At any point in time in the video, click on the comments down below for more information. And don't forget to like my page so you can follow me and get more Poop Tip Thursday so you guys can hopefully get more questions or more answers to your questions. But today's video comes from a question that a patient asked me, "Hey Dr. Islam, I heard that poop can be used as medicine." And the answer to that question is yes. We can actually use poop as medicine. Isn't that crazy? In 2019, and most likely in the future, poop is becoming a part of the treatment plan for some conditions within the GI tract and also maybe outside the GI tract. What we do is called a fecal transplant. In essence, it's exactly what it says. We put somebody else's stool inside your GI tract. And for a lot of our patients who have certain conditions, this can really change what's going on and potentially cure gut issues. So what we think is going on for a lot of different conditions is that there's a change in the gut microbiome from any number of different reasons, whether it's certain infections that you may have, maybe it's antibiotics you've used in the past, or for some other reason, and a change in the gut microbiome can really cause GI issues to occur, and those GI issues can be pretty serious. One effective treatment option for a fecal transplant is a condition called C. diff. C. diff is a very terrible bacterial infection that for a lot of our patients can cause symptoms of diarrhea, really bad pain, and this diarrhea can be so severe, patients have unfortunately passed away from that and develop a condition called sepsis. Now, what we have found is that a fecal transplant is very effective for those patients who have C. diff. In fact, the cure rate is greater than 90%. Imagine that, a 90% cure rate. You can rarely get that in anything, much less in medicine, but we have very effective options for those patients who have C. diff. Now, there are other conditions in which we can do a fecal transplant that may help out, and I stress may because it may not be for every person who has this condition. There are some studies that have shown for a condition called IBS, or irritable bowel syndrome, very different from IBD, which is inflammatory bowel disease, but in IBS, there are some studies which have shown a benefit when it comes to those symptoms. A lot of my patients who have IBS complain of bloating, diarrhea, maybe even constipation, indigestion, and for a lot of our patients, they may be frustrated by the options we have for treatment because they're not that great. But in some studies, there have been shown a benefit with doing a fecal transplant. Now, having said that, I'm not advocating that. Guys, don't go at home and start giving yourself a poop enema. The second condition which has shown some benefit is inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD, specifically ulcerative colitis. This is a very severe inflammatory condition in which your body attacks the GI tract to cause inflammation, ulceration, and really bad disease inside the GI tract. There are some very good studies that shown that a fecal transplant actually helps out in patients who have bad ulcerative colitis. And so for some patients, we actually may recommend that for a possible treatment. But I think the future is very bright when it comes to using poop as medicine. We're getting more and more studies, more and more information about how this can be beneficial for you guys. And this may be an option for a lot of our patients who are suffering from bad gut diseases or who may be suffering from diseases outside the GI tract as well. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Click on the like button. Let me know if you like this video. If you have a question about poop as medicine, comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. But don't forget to follow me next week, every Thursday around this time, where I do a Poop Tip Thursday, where I drop the deuce on one particular question that you guys have for the week. Hope you guys have a great day. Let me know also if you like my ugly sweater. Look forward to seeing you guys on more videos. Thanks and take care. Have a great and wonderful day.